Hi there, it's Shell with Little Acres Creations. Stay tuned and see how I make this adorable card using the Moo Brew stamp set. The first thing I did is I just used the cow from the Moo Brew stamp set, which is available at littleacrescreations.com, and I just stamped that on some cardstock using some Lawn Fundamentals Onyx Black ink. So you just want to use a Copic friendly ink. And then I am just going to work on coloring this little guy up. My idea for this card was to have the cow and the squirrel from the Piles of Smile stamp set kind of having coffee together. And so what I did is I just typed in tablecloth on the internet and I came up with this really simple design. So I just sketched that out on the back of this really cute floral paper. And then I just go ahead and cut that out. And I just have like a light gray marker. And I'm going to use that to just draw in some shaded area on the tablecloth and give it just a little bit of dimension. And then for the background, I wanted some kind of texture on the wall. So I pulled out this really pretty embossing folder that kind of took on the element or the look of bricks. So I thought that would be a really nice touch. And now I am going to use some of this rust colored paper, and I'm just going to cut that down and use that as a border for my front panel. And then I am going to take some spiced marmalade distress ink, and I am just going to do the sentiment, "You're as sweet as cowpuccino." And I am just going to do that on some of the white background paper, and then I'm going to cut that out using just a cute little die. And then I felt like the squirrel needed a little cup, so I'm going to just sketch a little cup, and I'm going to just kind of frame that with a little bit of that spiced marmalade ink. And now we are ready to put our card together. So the first part I put down is the rust background paper, and then I just go ahead and trim the card just to make sure that the paper fits correctly. And then I'm going to just glue the blue panel down using some ATG gun. And then I will use some of my foam tape, and I'm going to just put that on the back of my tablecloth, as well as the little cow and the little squirrel, and also the sentiment. And that completes the card. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was so much fun to make. So if you're interested in the Moo Brew stamp set, head on over to littleacrescreations.com and pick your set up today. They are going really fast. Be sure and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, you guys. Have a great day.